Welcome to my complete tutorial for the Eisenhower Decision Matrix Spreadsheet for Excel. To get started, I recommend reading the README instructions and familiarizing yourself with the spreadsheet. Once you're ready, everything starts in the Master Task List tab. This is where you'll enter and manage all of your tasks, and the rest of the workbook will update from there. For each task, enter the task name and assign it to an Eisenhower quadrant so the spreadsheet can automatically organize it into the correct section of the matrix. Then, select a category, a priority level, status, and the person responsible for completing the task. These fields help keep your work organized, make it easy to see which tasks need attention first, and give you a clear overview of progress, priorities, and responsibilities. Enter the due date for the task. The days left will update automatically. When a task is overdue, it will automatically turn red. As work progresses, update the completion % column to track how much has been completed. This provides a clear visual representation of your overall progress. You can also add notes to store important details, updates, or reminders related to each task. To edit the drop-down lists, go to the Setup tab. In this section, you can customize category and assignee drop-down lists to match your workflow. The other drop-down lists in the master task list should not be edited, as they are connected to formulas and features throughout the workbook and are required for everything to function correctly. To quickly organize your tasks, use the filter buttons at the top of each column. Click the filter icon in the column you want to sort or filter. For example, you can use this feature to sort your tasks in alphabetical order. If you get an error message, you will need to right-click on the tab and select Unprotect Sheet. You can also use filters to temporarily hide items from your list and focus on specific tasks. For example, by selecting only one Eisenhower quadrant, only tasks related to that project will remain visible. The same can be done with priorities, statuses, categories, or assignees by deselecting any options you do not want to display. This makes it easy to focus on the information that matters most without changing your data. Go to the Eisenhower Matrix tab. Here, you can view all of your tasks automatically organized into the 4 Eisenhower quadrants based on the selections you made in the master task list. This makes it easy to identify which tasks should be completed first, scheduled for later, delegated, or eliminated. You can also use the filters at the top of the page to display only specific categories, priorities, assignees, or statuses, helping you focus on exactly what you need. Use the Calendar tab to view all of your scheduled tasks in a monthly calendar format. Select the month you would like to view, update the year if needed, and choose whether your week starts on Sunday or Monday. Any task with a due date will automatically appear on the correct day, allowing you to see upcoming deadlines, plan ahead, and stay organized throughout the month. As tasks are added, updated, or completed, the calendar updates automatically. You can check the boxes to mark events as complete, but remember to uncheck them when changing months. That's everything you need to get started with the Eisenhower Matrix Spreadsheet. Once your tasks are entered, simply assign each one to the appropriate quadrant, and the spreadsheet will automatically organize your priorities, update your dashboard, charts, and calendar, and keep everything synchronized across all tabs. I hope this tool helps you make better decisions, stay focused on what matters most, and accomplish more with less stress. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.